Hi, it's Alex from DCBots. Now you will see how to extract data from website using our solutions. How does it work? As input data, you set the website listing link. Then just launch data extraction process in DCBots software. Finally, you receive products and prices from online retailers, reviews, ratings, images, new sales leads from directories, communities and social media, and other essential data on relevant websites. We can also customize our solution to scrape more data if you need. You can get the result data in Excel format, database, or export it directly to your website. If you have any special requirements, we can discuss customization as well. You get the following benefits using our solution for website extraction. Firstly, regular updates. It is especially essential for most websites, because they can periodically change the HTML code structure or even the data delivery mechanism. As our customer, you get these updates for free. Secondly, fast tech support. You can send us any request to see it is really fast. Next, our solution implies the possibility of customization. That is refinement for your specific tasks under your business processes. But this is not all. As our customer, you get access to another applications from DCBots, among which there are online store extractors, contact harvesters, and content extractors. So what are your next steps? Just follow the link below this video, then test our solution. In case any questions arise, contact us in any convenient way and we will get in touch within 24 hours. If this information was useful for you, please like this video. And if you want to be notified of our solution updates, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for your attention. See you!